Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove or hide the OneDrive icon from your taskbar on Windows 11 or 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. This is the area near your clock and date display where various system icons typically appear. You should be able to see your OneDrive icon sitting there among other notification icons. Now, here's where we'll actually remove or hide that OneDrive icon from your taskbar. The process is surprisingly simple and doesn't require any complicated settings or menus. All you need to do is click and hold on the OneDrive icon with your mouse. Keep holding it down as you drag the icon outside of your taskbar area. This action tells Windows that you want to move this icon away from its current visible position. Once you've dragged the icon out and released it, you'll notice something interesting happens. The OneDrive icon will automatically be moved to your system tray and will be hidden from sight. This means it's still running in the background and functioning normally, but it's no longer taking up valuable space on your taskbar. The icon will now only appear when you click the small arrow in your system tray to reveal hidden icons, giving you a cleaner and more organized taskbar appearance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed the OneDrive icon from your taskbar, keeping your workspace tidy while still having access to OneDrive when you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.